Hello guys, how's it going? Now it's 4:38 a.m. and I'm get ready. Do you think where we wanna go together? We wanna go to another amazing trip together. This one is so special. I don't tell you where we wanna go, you should guess. And in this trip I wanna see someone. From here I go alone and now I collect my baggage and I'm ready and I want to find Snap. Snap is like Uber in other countries, and still I couldn't find any driver. Okay, now I'm in the program and it's searching for finding a driver. Let's see to find or not. Okay guys, I arrived to the airport. It's like about 40 minutes. I come to the international airport and a lot of people are on the line. Hello again guys, I take the flight ticket. It was very busy and it takes a lot of time, and now and after that I went to get my how to say, this is just for Iran, I think. In here when you travel, because the dollar is so expensive, you can get the government dollar, and it's a little cheaper than the bazaar, than the other dollars. And after that I went there and get my dollar. For that you should at first do the work. I did it in the I did the work in the Bale app, and after that in here after you did all the work, you can go and get it. And now I'm waiting to get open and go there. I bring a lot of food to eat, but I couldn't eat anything because just now I arrived here and I could rest a little, and I said that at first I take some video for you, and after that I go and eat something. Okay guys, then and I remember that my flight is Iranian flight, and I will show you the plane. Look guys, what I bring is myself. This is a kind of bread that we say it's sangak, and I bring this bread for that person that I want to visit in my destination. Just tell me what you guess. Who is that person? Who is that person? Comment. And don't forget that like my videos and check your subscription. Okay. Now I think the gate opened and this is our line. Let's go. This part is business class, and this just seats are bigger. Guys, I sit here near the emergency. This is our breakfast. This is omelette, and this one is mushroom. I don't know what's this one. I think it's potato. This is cake, and this is bread, jam, juice, and cheese. And still they didn't give us tea. Here you go guys. Just look at the clouds. They are so amazing. to the Dubai airport, and now I took my baggage. And one thing that is very good about here is that when you arrive, when they stamp your passport, they give you a free SIM card, and it's so good. Yes. And now I'm waiting for that person that I said I wanna visit. Look guys, it's raining. We come out from the airport, we get taxi. Now we wanna go to the hotel. It takes a lot to the driver come, because about half an hour or more. He said that because he says that it's because of the rain, because when it's raining the car stuck in the water, and because of that it's like that. And also the price of the taxi is 3 equal of the normal days. I want to show you our room. We are in the 60th floor. This is the kitchen. We have coffee maker and also tea and water. They are free. And this is the room. Let's see from here. Yes. And we have this beautiful view that because of it's raining, it's not clear. Yes. And in this part we have these. We have TV and they're the same. And this is me. It's closet. Yeah. I don't know. This door is closed. I don't know. From here we can go where. And here is the bathroom. Bathtub and just this. Okay guys, I show you our room. It's very good, and now we wanna rest. We are really tired because of the rain. We stopped a lot on the airport, and now we wanna rest. Thank you for staying with me until another video, another time. Bye bye.